Guys, this is my look, and I'm getting very late for that ideathon event. Today we are visiting a village where we're gonna conduct an event, a survey basically, and then I'll let you know. Okay, bye. I'm going. Say again. I started filming a little late. Yeah, हो रहा है. These girls are getting some snacks for the way. Hmm. This is our campus mate. Yapping without any reason. Reached, guys. Sheet. Where's that sheet, Rakshit? Okay. This is the village survey sheet that we made. Now we're gonna interview. We have to interview at least like 5 people. We need to know their working hours, how much they earn, what are their future goals, and stuff like this. This is a village, so yeah. And I'm having my lassi. Let's interview him. Finding small people people with small business and all, and these girls, they want to go to this such big house and interview them. For what reason do you want to interview them? Look, they have a luxurious building.
They'll be like, you need something, we'll give it to you.
Oh my god.
This is going that they eat something.
True gold diggers, guys.
Proud
Remember their faces.
gold digger.
ऐसा लग रहा है this is I'm giving a house tour. This is your house tour. Look.
Hi everyone, welcome to my home. Welcome to the house.
ओपी अंदर से देख के they would be like shouting on you. So, guys, how is it going so far? How is it going so far?
Bindas. I need something to drink.
Rakshit, how is it going? कैसा चल रहा है अभी तक?
सब बढ़िया चल रहा है.
कितने लोगों का ले लिया हमने?
6 हो गया ना.
Yep. But क्या बोल रहे हैं people? What are their major problems?
किसी को तो प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है भाई. सब अमीर है, हम ही गरीब है इधर.
हाँ, everyone is like no, we are satisfied with the work.
प्रॉब्लम है क्या? लेकिन इधर हम आए थे पूछने के लिए. F हो गया.
We are bunking the class. We came back at 12:40, and now we're just thinking to skip the classes because we are very tired.
Yes.
And the mastermind behind this plan is Pranav. He asked us to bunk the classes.
He's the reason we are
He's the reason why we're bunking.
The sole reason.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Got my dahi puri, guys. Look. Hey guys, so I just completed Fajr prayer and I thought of taking a walk here in my campus since it's open all the time. So I didn't have my ID, so I was like a bit reluctant whether they'll allow me in or not, but hopefully he did. Thankfully he did. So I'm just taking a walk, looking what's happening here in the campus. I'll show you how it looks in the morning. It's like 6:10 a.m. right now. So yeah. This is one of the pathways that I usually prefer because I don't know why it feels good and it's near my block, so it's easier to get because we have 2 to 3 more ways of coming to this side, but I find this a bit easy and a bit peaceful. I don't know. Okay, let's see. That's the library, and yeah, pretty empty, but I can see some people just playing basketball, and there's our cricket ground or kind of stadium kind of thing. So over there they usually play cricket. So I will go that side and check if people are there or not. Cricket is going on. I don't know if I know some people. I guess I know that this person. I need to make friends whom I can play with. Especially not cricket, because I'm not a huge cricket fan and I don't know how to play that well. But I know football. And yeah, I can learn how playing football. And I already know because I used to play in my school days, school times. Yeah. This is our stadium. This is not the entrance, by the way. The entrance is the other side. This is one of the ways where you can come and just have a view. And that's our basketball court. This is the football box, football thingy. And over there is the volleyball court where some girls are playing. And these are some just sitting areas. That's the vintage car, which is treated as a piece of art and people take pictures there. So yeah. Okay, I'm going back to my PG because I need to get ready since I have Ideathon today. So yeah, but I have it at 9:30, so I'm skipping classes in the morning since I'll get my attendance. Okay. Way to the college for the Ideathon event. It's 9:28 already. I had to reach at 9:15 and 9:30. I'm running late as always. So what Rishwita did, yeah. She sent these cringe messages to the official Ideathon group. Maybe she was sending to her boyfriend. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. You have taken the screenshot, right? Show the screenshot.
Yeah, we did.
Look what she did. And someone actually reacted. Wow.
I would die.
People behind Rishwita just
If
काम करने जाती हूँ कांड हो जाता है, right?
I were her, I'd dig a hole and die. This is so embarrassing.
Wow. Okay. आंटी फंस गया आइदो. Stuck. What the hell? I've only seen these kind of things on Instagram reels. Now we're the one living it. Just wait, let me try shaking. Auntie, who has the keys?
No. You just can contact the center.
Trouble with your order, yeah. Okay. Contact us directly. Can you just scan it? Wow.
Can't हो जाता है, can't.
Imagine if a person is in like very. It doesn't hurt. It's very soft like a cushion. Do it. 1, 2, 3, go. I called on the helpline number and they said the amount has been refunded. And I shook it really hard and look what we got. Did you get the refund amount?
मिल जाएगा. They told the amount will be refunded within 2 hours.
And plus we got the free whatever lace.
Oh my god.
Wow. Thanks to me.
Thank you, Shaya.
Guys, she wants a solo picture.
कुछ बात तो कर नहीं पा रही है.
She thinks she's looking pretty today. Nice. And act serious.
खींच मेरे बाल हाथ में आ जाएंगे.
True. Oh wow. Got myself the pizza and a cold drink. It's 1 a.m. right now, and I was hungry. I was just craving for. Guys, this is like day 2 of Ideathon, and we came here at 9. We were working, we made PPTs, we made reports, and now we lied our teammates, the girl teammates obviously, and we're going to watch Dhurandhar 2. We told them we have mentor meet and we have some project discussion, so we have been called by a professor, but we lied them and we're going to watch the movie and we'll come back at like 4. So yeah. Let's go. Let's see if it works or they find out maybe. बड़ा हो जाएगा तो. I was about to fall. Yo. Park it somewhere here. We passed through the security check-in and I have chocolates in my shoes. They didn't catch us. We are running late. The movie show time is at 1. We reached at 1:10. Let's see if it started. And one of the chocolates I have it in my waist, near my belt. Washroom. You really wanna go? Seat बता दे मुझे.
बेटा
Made it to the hall.
ಭಾರತೀಯರ ಪ್ರತಿ
Interval,
ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯವು
guys.
ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪರಂಪರೆಯ ಕತೆ ಸಾರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿರುವ ಮದುವೆ ಕತೆ.
Huge line, guys. I wish the prices were a bit low. Is done with the movie. Movie was great, but some scenes were very lengthy. We got a bit bored, and it was really cold there in the theater, so we were feeling really cold. Now we're going back. And guys, we're all set to go to day 3 of Ideathon. Today is the official final day. We have to present our ideas in just like 5 minutes, 3 minutes for presentation and 2 minutes for Q&A session. So let's see how it goes, since they've allotted very less amount of time. Let's see if we actually win this or what. Let's go. Rakshit and Pranav ka band bajne wala because they are in class, attending classes. They're not at all worried about the Ideathon event. The event is about to start in just like 10 to 15 minutes and they're still attending classes. Whose class is going on? And they're so busy studying maths. They developed interest all of a sudden.
Show them this video.
I will post this on YouTube. I won't show it. I will post it. Let the world know how they are behaving.
This is not our,
What did they say? Are they coming?
yeah. This is not our work to come get people from here.
Yeah. Guys, we're done with the presentation. Our presentation was good from our end, but I don't think the judges really understood our problem statement and our solution. So they were a bit confused. They kept on answering, "What are you doing?" and "What are you implementing? What's the issue?" They kept on questioning. And I was supposed to complete the presentation in like 3 minutes, but since I was very worried, I just completed in like 1 minute 50 seconds. So yeah, we just came here in the snack lab having some food, waiting for the results. Let's see. But I don't think we're gonna win or something. Let's see.
Of course we're gonna win.
Rakshit and Pranav are having their homemade food. She has ordered some peri peri fries and I have ordered some red sauce pasta. Tomorrow we have ethnic day, so I don't think I'll be able to come or what. So, Rakshit, say something. Yes, I will post it. I'm not scared. Jagdeep, this guy is.
ಏನಂದ್ರಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಂತೆ, ಅವನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳು ಅಂದೆ. ಅವ್ನು ನಂಗೇನೋ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದೆ.
Just completed prayer, going back to the PG. There's no one at the gym except one person. Hey guys, so I just completed running. I made like around 3 rounds of the ground, and then yeah, I know it's less, but I will gradually increase the number of rounds. Okay, and I also found one of my friends who's in NCC. So NCC people usually have the trainings every day in mornings. So yeah, I found him. He was sitting there. We talked about college and some friends, and yeah, that's it. And plus today we have ethnic day, in which everyone's gonna wear their kurta, their ethnic dress, I guess. So I'm never interested in coming to those events, but my friends are insisting a lot, and since it's Friday today, anyways, I'm gonna be wearing kurta, so I might just come and see what's happening in the campus. Yeah, let's see. I'll show you guys. Stay tuned. It's like 6:56 a.m. right now. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna have my breakfast, take a shower, and then I'll see what I'll do. Let's go.
पहले दे रहे सभी कुछ
अरे ये तो अरबी बन के आया है. So we are in the campus. This is our block, and look at the people. Look at the students. People in vibrant ethnic wear. Our friends are yet to come. Rakshit has arrived. Guys, look, we found Pranati. Pranati, say hi. बहुत अच्छा शॉट आया है. और ये है साक्षी. Guys, look who just appeared. Mrs. Divas. Not just one, but 2 divas. This is gonna be on YouTube, okay? I'm not gonna edit it.
Hi, this is Nana.
Hi, we're vlogging from his phone. And that's him.
What are you guys doing with my camera?
Shamdar.
Barely bothered.
Yeah.
Singing, okay? All the girls will be singing. And then think it is like girls. And then
Are you filming?
Yeah.
सब लोग मुझे देखो, जल्दी जल्दी देखो, जल्दी.
acting का बादशाह.
Guys, look at me, girls.
Acting.
Guys भी देख लो.
ऐसा क्या? ऐसे शॉप लेगा बोले
क्या हो
के?
गया, तुम लोग क्यों देख रही हो? I'm taking.
Liar, liar.
ਪੇ ਹੌਟ ਨਾਲੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਤੋੜਦੀ
Guys, we're going back. They're very strict in checking IDs. They're not letting people in if they don't have ID. मेरा तो है ID. I'm going back. Actually, I have to attend Friday prayer and I have only like 10 minutes. Rakshit will drop me to the mosque. And there you go, that's the mosque. यहीं पे साइड. Thank you. Thank you, Rakshit. I have completed the prayer. Going back. Hey, so I completed prayer and I went to get some food. I got some chicken roll and I also got some lassi. Today was a great day since all of us gathered and we clicked so many pictures. It was good. It felt like a festival, even though it was an event. It felt like a festival. It was worth going, basically. So yeah, I'm just gonna end my vlog here. And on Monday I have my tests. So I'll have to study for that. And yeah, that's the end of vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.